Just thought this might be useful. A lot of 3D printers have got badly designed circuits. One of them is the Ender 3. Even with the BTT upgrade circuit board, if I plug the printer into a hub or the PC, when you actually turn the printer off, you'll see that the screen is still up and running, although you can't print or anything. What's happening there is 5 volts from your PC or hub or whatever you've got the USB cable connected to is actually powering the Ender 3 Pro or whichever printer you have. There's a list, I'm sure, online detailing all of the printers with this particular problem. The cure is pretty straightforward. Take the end of the cable that you will be plugging into the PC or hub. I'm going to see if I can zoom in and get this in focus, and literally all you need to do is get a bit of tape, and I've used a piece of Kapton tape that I've just cut to size, and insert it into the far right pin, that is the 5-volt pin, and then plug it into your hub or computer, and that will stop the 3D printer being sent 5 volts when you actually turn it off. Yeah, that is why your 3D printer is partially on, and how you can stop it. You still need the ground and 2 data pins connected, just that far right connection supplying the 5 volts. I don't think we can get any closer there, but you get the idea. Feed the tape in right to the back of the plug, bring it over the front, and if you can, just bend that tape. I can't do this while I'm looking at the screen. Just stick that underneath there and just trim it off. I can't do this with the camera in one hand, but you get the idea. And then plug that in, and ideally just don't unplug it again. And if you do, just remember this modification's been done, so you might want to mark the cable in some way. So yeah, that is how to stop your computer or hub powering or partially powering your Ender 3 Pro in my case.